Right, here we've got Aron working hard on his back path and trying to really work hard on a dip between that head and left shoulder so he gets his body weight going towards the ball. Wait for it, Aron. Too early, weren't we? Way too early on it. Really wait for that ball. Better. Better. Really wait for it. Hit it under your chin, yeah? All right, we'll dug out. All right, good. Runs for that. Down the third man. Aron, that's your right shoulder coming through again. It's closing the face of the bat. That should have hit the big, tall piece of the netting here. That on drive, yeah? Watch your toes. Your left foot's just a bit too far across. That's it. All right, unlucky. Keep working. Lovely shot. Through mid-on. Through mid-on. Lovely shot. Good. Well weighted. Good. Keep that elbow high. Yeah. Everything. Try and hold it for 3 seconds. Hit the ball and hold it for 3 seconds. All right. Was it there to drive? No, it was a forward defensive. Right. Widen your feet a bit, Aron. You just seem a little bit narrow with those feet. Yeah. Open that left toe a bit, get it pointing to mid-off-ish. Right, ready? Turn your shoulders round. More, perfect. Better, well watched. Good. Get your set up right. See your back leg come through. No balance, okay? It's all, don't worry. Watch that ball. Good, well watch. Sit really, wait for the ball. Shot out. Beautiful shot. Lovely time. Really wait for it. Good. Think about the length, Aron, yeah? Think about what you can drive. Good shot. Good. Great shot, well done. Good, lovely. Lovely timing. Beautiful, Aron. Lovely shot. Good. Working on the length. Pick the length, yeah. Shot. Lovely shape, Aron. Good. Yorker, wasn't it? Dig it out rather than playing a big flamboyant drive. Just dig it out. All right, nice timing. Good, pick the length again, just dropped a bit shorter than the other one, isn't it? working. Good. Good shot. Beautiful timing, Aron. It's a gorgeous shot. Wait for that ball. Good. Nice and straight. Right, Aron, I want you to go a bit T20 now. I want you to have a go at using your feet and see if you can whack these over the top of me. All right, show me, practice it, go down the wicket and try and hit it straight. Yes, perfect. Don't try and overhit it, just time it, yeah? Come on, get closer to it. Commit to the shot, Aron. Let's get down the wicket and hit it over me. Aron, show me the bat shape. Show me the shape you just showed me, slow motion. Right, check drive, isn't it? Show me that check drive. Unlucky. Better shape. Much better shape. Show me that check drive again. All right, good. Right idea though. Keep working. And again. Come on, use your feet, hit it over the top. We need 18 and over here. Good. And again, try and hit it a little bit early. Better. And again, let's get those feet close to the ball and hit it over the top. We're trying to hit him for 6 over his head. Right, Aron, get your feet wider, base. You're using your feet to get it wide and you're going to have a little skip down the wicket and whack it over my head. Come on, let's get it hurt. We need 18 off and over. Go. Moving too late. Got to go early, you're using your feet. Got to go a little bit earlier. Ready? Go. That's better. We've got there then, you just got to hold the shape. A little bit quicker and watch that ball onto the bat. Go. Well, try. Move those ones. Oh yeah, no, it'll be fine, you'll be fine. Keep working. Better timing. That's gone over the top. That's 4, isn't it? Over extra cover. So you've got to move your feet a bit quicker, Aron. Come on, get down that wicket. Go. Too late. You're not early enough. It's too late. It's bounced at you. You've got to hit it on the half volley. You've got to get to the ball on the half volley, so get quicker with your feet. Go. Wait for the ball. A bit earlier there. That was a bit too early. All right, just as I go to put it in, start using your feet. That's when the bowler can't do anything about it. Ready? Go. That's it. That's the one, Aron. Yeah. Hold the shape. That's it. Now you're getting the timing. You're arriving at the right time. Hold your shape. Where's the bat angle? Twisted. Hold the shape, that goes over long on for 6. Ready? Too late on it. Let's hit the splice because you're so too late. Got to get going a bit earlier. And that's way too early. Aron, you've got to go as I put the ball in the machine. Aron, you haven't got the timing. You're not getting your timing right to get to the ball to strike it. You're leaving too early, too late. All right, so as I go and put the ball in the machine, we need one little chassé down the wicket, no more. All right, you've got to think about where the ball's pitching. That's where you need to get underneath it, yeah? Right, ready? All right, you're in the right slot there. You just missed the ball. That was better. So one little chassé and get your hands through the ball. Leave it, Aaron, leave it. Right, one little chassé and get your hands through the ball. Better. Right, just get that timing right. That's it. Don't cross the face, don't close the face. Ready, last two. That was too early. Right, you know where it's bouncing, try and arrive there at the right time. There you go. Last one. Right, well done.